Question number 19. 3 times the smaller of two consecutive integers is 11, more than twice the larger integer. Find the smaller integer. A 11, B 12, C 13, D 14. So we're going to represent the smaller integer as x, and the larger integer will be x plus 1. And based from the question, we're going to identify that 3 times the smaller integer is 11, more than twice the larger integer. So we're going to represent this in an algebraic expression. So we have the representation 3x equals 2 times the quantity of x plus 1 plus 11. Based from this statement, 3 times the smaller integer is 11, more than twice the larger integer. So next step here is to multiply 2 times x, then 2 times 1 as follows. So we have 2 times x, we have 2x, and 2 plus 1, 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 11, that's 13. So we have now 3x equals 2x plus 13. Now, solve for x tayo. We need to transpose 2x from the other side and mag-change siya ng sign from positive to negative. Our new equation, 3x minus 2x equals 13. Then 3x minus 2x, that's x. And that is equal also to 13. Therefore, the smaller integer is 13. From this question, number 19, the correct answer is letter C.